Hey there. On today's episode of How Do You Know, we're going to be talking about large-scale structure as evidence for dark matter. So let's go back to the beginning, as Hilary Duff once said. At the beginning of the universe, there was dark matter, but there was also the regular kind of matter that you and I are made up of. So the regular kind of matter was, of course, subject to gravity, and gravity promotes collapse since mass is attracted to other mass. But also the kind of matter you and I are made up of radiates and has all these complicated thermal processes, and so it also expands. And so there's this fight that goes on between contraction and expansion, force in, force out. But dark matter doesn't have to deal with any of that. It doesn't radiate. So it only really feels the effects of gravity. It's only really got to collapse. And so if you have dark matter promoting collapse, and you've got regular matter that you and I are made of that provides the pushback to kind of smooth things out, gee, wouldn't it be nice if we could, make some kind of a map to see how clumpy the universe is and get a sense of not just if there's dark matter, but how much there's got to be? Good news. We did that. Here's the map. So this is made with the Sloan Digital Sky Survey. This is a map of galaxies in the universe. So every point is a galaxy. And as you can see, things are not evenly distributed. Okay, things are clumpy. There's places where you got these groups of galaxies, these clusters of galaxies, these walls and sheets and filaments. And then you got places where there's void. There's not much going on. So the presence of clumpiness, this large scale structure in the universe is one of the several ways that we can constrain not just the idea that dark matter is there, but how much there's got to be. So this is how we get at not just the fact that dark matter exists, but the specific ratio where it's 1 part regular matter to 5 parts dark. 15% of the matter is what you and I are made of. 85% of the matter is dark, which is kind of bonkers to think about. Once again, I'm Kishan, and thanks for making some space in your day.